So what I want to do is I'm going to challenge you every day to take one step forward. And if you have to take 5 forward because you're going to take 4 back, that you. I don't. But pick up 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 tidbits. Don't change everything about you. Look, we don't win and lose in life overnight. We do it by degrees. You don't get fat or skinny, healthy or unhealthy, rich or poor. You don't win or lose friends. All of this happens over time by the steps you take. That's why when I went broke and I was homeless, I wasn't mad at anybody. I didn't blame anybody. It was all in my hand. Now, I will tell you, God had an influence over that. It was what it took. I've always lived an honest, righteous life. I'm not going to say I've never done anything I'm not proud of or that I'm ashamed of. But you can't go back. You can only go forward.